all the way from Connecticut. Daddy mo, Andre's dad is on the phone.
Wow.
Hello.
Oh my gosh, sorry to have kept you up so late.
Dad.
Fine, anything for Andre and for you, Chris.
Oh, thank you. What do you want to tell Andre?
We've been here for almost 3 years, and he's improved a lot from the time we left. He's, a very responsible person. Hindi marunong sa mga bagay-bagay. And then, suddenly, when he went there nung December, I saw him na talagang he's on his own. Tapos, even pagpagawa ng photo, hindi marunong ako pang nagpagawa. I'm very proud of him.
That's so nice. It's so nice po that you're acknowledging that your son has really matured.
Oh, yes. And thank God then, although we didn't want this to happen, magkakahiwalay kami, pero it turned out well for him.
Parang blessing in disguise.
Right. Oh, yes. And I just wish him to keep it up, keep playing, be close to God, keep your focus always. That's all I always tell you. Be humble, as always, be humble, be patient. Just be yourself, and you'll go a long way.
What do you want to tell your dad?
Wow, sabi ko I'll really try not to cry. Sabi ko, Dad, kasi sobrang bihira. Mas verbal yung mama ko eh. Yung dad ko, sobrang tough niyan, strong yan. Dad, thank you. I love you. And hearing those words na, ang sarap kasi pakinggan eh, na proud yung dad mo sa'yo. So, thank you. Salamat. Yun lang naman gusto ko eh. That's all I wanted, for you to be proud of me and for you to know that I'm okay and I'm doing fine. So, to assure everybody there na there's nothing to worry about now.
Okay. Wonderful. Thanks
Love you.
a lot.
Love you, Dad. Thank you.
Welcome. Anytime, Andre.
Love you.
Good night.
Good night.
Sleep well.
Good night.
Uy, good night. Ayan na. Okay. Oh, alam mo, may message din ng nanay mo para sa'yo. Ito na.
Talaga?
Ryan Bang, my baby boy. Alam mo namang love na love kita. Alam mo yan, sa lahat ng boys, ikaw ang pinaka-love ko. Ikaw ang priority ko. Kaya, as much as possible, hindi ko hahayaan na maging malungkot ka. Basta nandito lang ako para pangitian ka lagi. Hindi ka malulungkot, hindi ka makakaramdam na nag-iisa ka rito sa Pilipinas kahit malayong-malayo ka sa Korea, malayong-malayo ka sa pamilya mo kasi may nanay ka rito sa Pilipinas. At ako ang nanay mo. I love you, baby boy.
Oh, that's sweet naman talaga. Ang swerte mo that Vice is a part of your life. May gusto ka sabihin ka, Vice?
Bye, nanay. Ito, gusto ko lagi salamat ako sa'yo. And talaga, salamat. Mahal kita. Thank you always.
Nice. And the dad of Slater is on the phone right now. Hi, Dad.
Hi, Chris.
Hello. Dad, is it a big adjustment for you?
Yes, we're adjusting very much. Not used to being in the limelight with our kids.
What do you want to tell your dad, Slater?
I know naman you're happy na I'm standing up on my own 2 feet na. I just hope that you're proud of me and I can continue to make you proud.
Dad, proud ka ba sa na-achieve ni Slater ngayon?
Yes, we're very happy for him. I think his dream is coming true.
There's so many fans of Slater who are in the studio right now. What do you want to tell them?
To help Slater and follow him and hope he will maintain his good character.
Thank you so much po. Alam mo, ang ganda nun to maintain your good character. Kasi totoo yun fame is a blessing, but basically also it will challenge everything that you are.
Yes, that's very true.
You're sad?
No, happy.
Ba't naiyak ka? Nag-a-adjust ka pa rin?
Hindi naman. Di ba, yun lang naman talaga gusto ng mga anak from their parents, just to make them proud.
And nafe-feel mo naman na kahit na hindi ito yung gusto talaga nilang pasukin mo, na proud naman sila talaga.
Yeah. Every time na mag-meet kami, I can see it in their faces na masaya sila for me.
Pero siguro, Slater, isipin mo na lang na lumaki talaga pamilya mo. Tinan mo naman, no? What do you wanna tell them?
Kasi the people that support me, sila lahat, they are part of my family na rin, extended family. Kasi, syempre naman, I'm right here where I am because of them.
Andre, anong gusto mo sabihin kay Venus?
Well, alam niya naman yun. And she's really a blessing. And she's here right now, so... And ayun.
Siya, ang ganda.
Ayun, sobra.
Anong gusto mo sabihin?
Sabi ko nga siya yung pinakamabait na tao na kilala ko. Inside and out, pinakamagandang tao na kilala ko. Very sincere, very down to earth. She's very beautiful. Sabi ko you're the one. Sabi ko, ikaw na talaga yun. Ikaw na yung gusto kong makasama buong buhay ko. And honestly, she keeps me grounded. Sabi ko nga, she's my constant reminder that God is there. Na mahal ako ng Diyos dahil nandyan siya. So, siya yung ano talaga. So, natutuwa ako. Kasi nga, pareho kami ng relationship sa Diyos. And, ulitin ko, sinabi ko yung last time, sabihin ko, ikaw ang major Miss Universe ng buhay ko.
Ikaw.
Daddy ko, wala daddy ko.
Wala. Oo. Hindi, ikaw, Ryan, meron ka nang nililigawan?
Wala eh.
Ako na lang, Ryan.
Bakit?
Nakakit ng tingin mo. Nagkaroon ng... Seryoso, di ba nagkaroon ng...
I was about to say,
ang nakit ng tingin mo. Gusto mo sabi kayo?
Ryan. Bakit? Ryan, buibigay ka na ba?
Uy, Ate Chris, ba't kanyan sa akin?
O ano?
Huwag ka lumalapit sa akin.
Medyo?
Medyo. Hindi, wala talaga.
Lalaki ka.
Lalaki ako. Ate Chris.
Promise, ha?
Lalaki ako.
O sige. Pero, Ryan, do you consider the Philippines your home?
Oo naman.
Why?
Siyempre, bago ako pumunta dito, 5 taon ako, si Ryan Bang, ako dati, sa Korea pa ako. Talaga, seryoso ako, hindi ako nakaniti. Yung,
Serious.
seryoso ako tao.
Oo.
Dumating ako dito, yung simula, tapos hanggang na yun, lagi ako nakaniti, lagi
Okay.
ako masaya.
Lagi siyang nakangiti. Okay.
Kaya ako-
Sandali. Totoo ba you had a big offer in Korea for a comedy show there?
Opo, last week,
How much?
malaki.
As in, mas malaki sa kinikita mo dito?
Oh,
Hindi.
hindi, yung contract lang. Sabi niya, bigay niya ako daw bahay, bigay niya daw ako kotse.
Kontrata.
Oh.
Pero, tumanggi ka.
Sabi ko, masaya ako dito na yun eh. Babalik pa ako doon. Di ba?
Bongga. Guys, thank you for joining me this morning. It was
Thank
an
you.
inspiration for all of us.
Thank you, Chris.
Do you want to promote anything?
Wala ko, yun, umagang kay ganda every morning sa ABS-CBN, 4:45 hanggang 8 o'clock. At abangan niyo po, Studio 23, of course, only in Pinas, second season. So, ayun. Thank you, Chris, and thank you, Chris TV. Thank you sa staff.
you.
Thank you so much. Maraming salamat.
I use later.
Sa amin naman, it's more on the mga mall shows ng mga PBB housemates. Every weekend, we go to different places. Bukas sa Davao po kami.
You.
On its 19th anniversary, Star Cinema present first comedy romantic movie po.
Pwedeng, alam mo, mahal na mahal ko talaga si Angelica at si Piolo. Pwedeng tulungan kita sa pagpapromote?
Opo.
Okay, I want to do it. Kasi on the 19th anniversary of Star Cinema, they are presenting to you the first romantic comedy of the year. Ito po ang Every Breath You Take starring Piolo Pascual and Angelica Panganiban, directed by...
Mary Jarina Cruz.
It's a romance comedy na magpapa-in love sa atin.
Kasama po ako dyan. First movie ko po. Abangan nyo po nationwide. Baka manalo ako best actor.
Raya, sige. Thank you for being
Thank
here.
you, thank you.
Magkita-kita tayo ulit dito po sa Chris TV. Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.